FM Technology.
Quantum power. Today we're about to explore a technology that could completely change the way we think about computers and what they can do. Imagine a machine so powerful it could solve problems in seconds that would take today's fastest supercomputers thousands of years. That's the promise of quantum computing, a revolution that's just beginning. Have you ever wondered if a computer could be more powerful than anything we've ever seen? What if there was a way to unlock new possibilities in science, medicine, and technology, all thanks to a new kind of computer? Quantum computers aren't just faster, they're fundamentally different. That's the amazing idea behind quantum computers. They use the strange and fascinating rules of quantum physics to process information in ways that classical computers simply can't. This opens up a world of opportunities for solving problems that were once thought impossible. Think about your everyday computer or smartphone. These are classical computers. They're everywhere, helping us connect, work, and play. But even the best classical computers have their limits because of the way they handle information. They use millions of tiny switches called bits. Each bit is like a tiny decision point controlling the flow of electricity through the circuits inside your device. A bit can be on or off, like a light switch, 1 or 0. Every photo you see, every message you send, and every game you play is built from billions of these simple on-off choices, working together at lightning speed. Everything your computer does, playing games, watching videos, even showing you this text, is done with these bits flipping on and off super fast. It's an incredible system, but it has its boundaries. That's how classical computers process information. They're fast, reliable, and have changed our world, but some problems are just too complex for them to handle efficiently. But what if there was a whole new way to compute? What if we could harness the weirdness of quantum physics to unlock a new era of discovery? That's the big deal with quantum computers and why scientists and engineers are so excited about their future. Quantum computers are totally different from the regular computers we use every day. While your laptop or smartphone relies on traditional bits, those tiny switches that can only be either a 0 or a 1, quantum computers operate on a whole new level of weirdness. They harness the strange and fascinating rules of quantum physics to process information in ways that seem almost magical. Instead of bits, they use something called a qubit. Qubits are the building blocks of quantum computers, and they're what give these machines their incredible power. Unlike a regular bit, which can only be in one state at a time, a qubit can be a 0, a 1, or both at the same time thanks to a quantum trick called superposition. This means a single qubit can hold much more information than a regular bit ever could. Imagine flipping a coin and watching it spin in the air. While it's spinning, it's not just heads or tails. It's both at once, existing in a kind of in-between state. That's exactly how a qubit works, and it's what makes quantum computers so unique. This both-at-once power lets quantum computers explore many possible answers to a problem at the same time, instead of just one after another like a regular computer. It's like having a superhero sidekick that can search through a maze of possibilities all at once, rather than walking down each path one by one. Instead of checking solutions one by one, slowly and methodically, quantum computers can leap ahead, considering countless options in parallel. They can check many solutions at once, making them incredibly fast for certain types of problems. That's true quantum speed, a kind of computational superpower that could change the world. It's a whole new way of computing, opening doors to possibilities we're only just beginning to imagine. But there's more. Qubits have another trick, entanglement. Even Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. Imagine two magically linked coins. Flip one, and you instantly know the other's result, even if it's far away. Entangled qubits are deeply connected. What happens to one instantly affects the other. It's like they're sharing a secret quantum code. This connection helps quantum computers work together much faster. Entangled qubits share information and solve complex problems as a team. That's quantum teamwork. Science is amazing, isn't it? So why do we need quantum computers? What makes them so special, and why is there so much excitement around this technology? Well, quantum computers aren't just a faster version of the computers we use every day. They're something entirely different, designed to tackle problems that are impossible for even the most powerful supercomputers to solve. Not for video games, at least not yet. While it's fun to imagine quantum-powered gaming, The real magic of quantum computers lies in their ability to revolutionize fields that affect our lives in profound ways. They're built to solve problems classical computers can't handle, like breaking secret codes that protect our digital world, or creating new medicines by simulating complex molecules. Imagine being able to crack encryption that would take a normal computer millions of years, or designing drugs that target diseases with pinpoint accuracy. Quantum computers could simulate molecules perfectly, helping us invent life-saving drugs or super-strong material. This could lead to breakthroughs in healthcare, energy, and material science, opening doors to treatments and technologies we can only dream of today. They might make artificial intelligence smarter, improve city traffic, or give us better weather forecasts. Imagine cities where traffic jams are a thing of the past, or weather predictions that help us prepare for storms days in advance. The possibilities are huge. Quantum computers could help us understand complex systems in ways we never could before, from climate change to financial markets. They could reveal patterns and solutions hidden deep within massive amounts of data, transforming how we solve the world's toughest challenges. It's a whole new frontier for discovery, where the limits of what we can achieve are constantly being pushed further. The questions we can ask and answer are expanding every day. The future is wide open. With quantum computers, we're just beginning to explore what's possible, and the journey ahead promises to be one of the most exciting adventures in science and technology. Will quantum computers replace your laptop? Not anytime soon? Classical computers are still great for everyday tasks, emails, homework, and cat videos. Quantum computers are specialists built for the toughest problems. They're still new, often big, expensive, and need super cold rooms to work. But things are moving fast. Companies like Google, IBM, and Microsoft are racing to build better quantum computers. Quantum computers are real and improving all the time. They could unlock discoveries we can't even imagine yet. The quantum future is bright. Get ready for amazing changes.